to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi World. Hope you all are doing good. As the weather is getting colder now and we feel like eating something hot and spicy, and when you crave for something restaurant style food at home, and that too which can be prepared very easily, which tastes very yummy, it's none other than pepper chicken, which is all-time favorite for most of us. Then why wait? Let's get cooking. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I shall be using 750 grams of chicken which is washed and cleaned, 1.5 onion thinly sliced, 4 green chilies slit or according to your spice tolerance, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. In a heated pan, add in some oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the sliced onions. And saute until the onions turn translucent. Now that the onions have turned translucent, add the green chilies, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell goes. Next, add in half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Once everything is combined well, add in the chicken pieces. And give it a good mix. Next, add in salt according to taste. And give everything a good mix. Then cover the lid and allow the chicken to cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. I shall not be adding any water as I want the chicken to cook on a low heat. By doing this, it tends to soak up all the spices and the flavor, and it also enhances the taste. Once the chicken is cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. But if you do not like to add, you can skip it as it is totally optional. By adding soy sauce, it would just give a wonderful black color to the dish. Mix it well. Add in some chopped coriander leaves. Now cover the lid and cook on a low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes to get a wonderful gravy. Give it a good mix. As I've got a thick and wonderful gravy, I shall turn off the stove now. Lip-smacking hot and spicy pepper chicken is ready to be enjoyed. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.